What's up, YouTube world? Welcome to the first ever episode of Going Places with Picasso. Of course, I'm your boy and your host, Picasso, and in today's video for our first episode, I'm here in beautiful Naples, Florida, and I want to take you guys along with me for the journey, so let's get it poppin'. Now today, the temperature is about 97 degrees, so that's the reason why your boy is out here sweating profusely, but I just want to take you guys along with me, so let's go. All right, so I'll show you guys around. Now this place is literally right on the edge of the mangroves, and I'll tell you right now, just from my first impressions, it's pretty awesome. So if you guys ever want to come out here to the coast of Naples, check out some Airbnbs, you won't be disappointed. This is definitely awesome. I just feel so relaxed and away from it all, and this is exactly what I needed. I just needed to get away and be away from it all. If you're working, you work hard, you go through a lot of stress, you're dealing with the work environment constantly, never neglect to take time out for yourself. Go somewhere tranquil, go somewhere peaceful where you can just relax and get you some you time, focus, and enjoy your life. Clear your head a bit. Got some complimentary kayaks here. And look at that, there's a kayak ramp. And as you guys can see, you're literally in the mangroves here. As you can see, there's a wraparound porch. Oh boy, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but once again, the thing about being out in nature is you're going to do with nature, and there's a huge wasp nest up there. So staying true to not being Steve Irwin or Bill Nye, the black science guy, I'm staying away from them. There's a bit of a throwback vibe. So got a nice little chair there. Here's the entrance. That's pretty cool. Got my brand new fishing poles just for this trip. Let's take a look inside. So here's the living room. Got an interesting kind of throwback desk here. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the inside. I just wanted to show you guys a few shots. So now I'm going to put the drone up and show you guys what it looks like from above. Okay guys, so I just had a pretty crazy, scary moment flying my drone out here. I had my drone up and I decided to get a little courageous and try to fly it between some tight spaces, between some trees and branches and stuff like that. And one of the propellers clipped one of the branches and the drone fell into the trees. So that was pretty crazy. However, it fell literally right on the edge of some mangroves over water. So the mangroves saved the life of my drone today. I would have lost all my footage from today, but I'm glad I was able to get it and recover the drone. So yeah, and actually didn't even get any damage or anything to it. I just put it right back up. And just for any of you guys that may be wondering, it's the DJI Mavic Mini 2, which is my little travel drone. I like it because I can easily stuff it into my carry-on or suitcase and take it with me wherever I go and get awesome, stunning aerial shots in 4K. So right now I'm at the Delnor Wiggins Pass State Park. It's kind of hard to say here in Naples, Florida, and just about to take in this beautiful sunset, man. Take a look at this. Another one of the awesome things you can enjoy here on the Gulf Coast of the beautiful state of Florida. Get to take in sunsets like this. That is pretty cool, breathtaking. Wow, just like that, sunset's gone in a matter of seconds. That's insane. How quickly a sunset just disappears, man. Like, it sets really quickly. What's up, people? It's day 2. I just woke up, but look at this. We've got a visitor.
See?
A dolphin.
It's responding to my mating call, guys.
Let's see if he's going to come up again. Let's see where it's going to come up. See if we can catch up to it. Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is. There it is. Let's see if he's gonna come. He's gotta come up and breathe again. Oh, there it is down there. There he is. Yeah, it just came on. Passerby. That was pretty cool. Okay, day 2 continued, and we're here at the Sanibel Island Lighthouse Beach right here. Please, no live shelling. It's the law. Whatever live shelling is. Watch this view. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really wanted to go more in depth and show you guys more of Naples. Unfortunately, the weather was just not conducive for it. We got rained out, thunderstorms, lightning, you name it. So if you guys enjoy traveling content, seeing different places, and you're interested in going along with me on this journey, please do your boy a favor and definitely hit that subscribe button. As you guys can see, I need it because I don't have any subscribers. This is my first ever video, but I will be posting content on here regularly for you guys, so do me a favor, hit that sub button. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.